4 legs. Peacocks do have how many legs? Peacock do have how many legs? 2 legs. Rabbit do have how many heads? There is no handicapped animal like 2 heads kind of stuff. So rabbit do have 1 head and peacock do have 1 head. So the question is, can I say, so the total number of rabbits and peacocks, so R plus P is going to become 60. Rabbits and peacocks are going to be 60. So the legs, if we talk about legs, the rabbit do have 4 legs, so 4R. Peacock do have 2 legs, so which is 2P, which is equals to 192. So this is your first equation and this is your second equation. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. So how to, you want rabbit, so you have to eliminate peacock. So tell me, I have to multiply my first equation with, my job is to do, meer jayala questions, neen gal, naak answer ostadi. Come on, I have to multiply the first equation with, everybody should type. Otherwise, I'll take names. Okay, come on. The first equation has to be multiplied with 2. Then your equation will become 2R plus 2P equals to 120. So it's become third equation. So now what I supposed to do? Come on, you have to tell me the things. Then only I'll write here. Because I am here to guide you how to solve and subtract it. That's it. That's what I'm interested. So if I subtract it, I'll get 2R. Okay, so anyway, this will get cancelled. That is equals to 72. Then R is equals to what? 36. When the number of rabbits are 36, the number of peacocks will be, because the total were 60, no? The number of peacocks is going to be 24. The number of peacocks are going to be what? 24. Okay, so now this is one way of solving. So now tell me, in this particular solution, how many equations I am using? In this particular solution, how many equations I am using? Like 2 equations I wrote initially, right? Can we do with a single equation? Can we do with a single equation? Like 1 equation, can we do this? This is where a lot of people will say no as their answer. But with a single equation also we will do. How many, the total number of, the things are going to be 60. What do you want? You want rabbits. Let's take, there are R rabbits. So the remaining are going to be what? There are R rabbits. The remaining are going to be, come on. 60 minus R is going to be the number of peacocks. Total how many legs are there? 192. So can I make an equation like every rabbit used to have 4 legs and every peacock used to have 2 legs. So if I calculate this, I'll get my R, no? Yes or no? So 4R plus 120 minus 2R. 120 will go to the other side. So you left with 2R. So again 2R is equals to 72. Then R will become what? 36. So the second way of solving is this, by using a single equation. By using a single equation. Can we do this question without using a pen and paper? To assume something like that, we can do this question. How? Let's see. How? Let's see. So tell me, please assume there is no peacock. Please assume there is no peacock. Everything is rabbit. Guys, tell me, rabbit do have how many legs? Rabbit do have how many legs? To make you understand, I'm writing here. Otherwise, no need to write. Rabbit do have 4. Correct? Total how many things were there? 60. Now, according to, I'm so sorry. We need to assume the other thing. Please assume there is no rabbit. Please assume there is no rabbit. So now everything is peacock. Now everything is peacock. Peacock do have 2 legs. The total were 60. Then the total number of legs are going to be what, ma? 120, no? Can I say these are assumed legs? These are assumed legs. What are the real legs? How many real legs according to the question? The real legs are how many? The real legs are how many? 192. What is the difference between the real legs and assumed legs? The real legs and assumed legs is 72, correct? What is the difference between the legs of rabbit and peacock? 2. 72 by 2 is what? 36. That's what your rabbits. When 36 are your rabbits, the remaining are peacocks, which is 24. That's it. Okay, so always assume there is no rabbit, which means the bigger number of legs. Like there is a car and there is a bike. Please assume there is no car. Now everything bike was there. Okay, so with that you can solve lot of questions. Okay, so almost the number increased double, which is 190. Okay, so I hope you understood. So today we are talking about which concept? So today we are talking about a concept called simple equations. Okay, simple equations. Okay, and in the simple equations we are going to solve, the agenda is, today's agenda is, what do you mean by simple equation and what is QE, what is quadratic equation? Okay, followed by we are going to solve questions based on, equations first. Then the fourth one is questions based on digits. Okay, then the fifth one is questions based on ages. Okay, and the sixth one is we are going to solve couple of miscellaneous questions. So this is the agenda. Okay, today's agenda is this. Okay, with that note, let's get started. 2x square plus 4, is this an equation? Is this is an equation? 2x square plus 4 greater than 20. Is this an equation? No. If I make a symbol like this, is this an equation? No. 2x square plus 4 is equals to 12. Can I say is this is an equation? Is this is an equation? Yes. So can I conclude a point? What do you mean by equation was, like any open sentence which contain equality sign, that is called an equation. Can I say this is an equation? Can I say, what you don't mind what you have LHS, what you have RHS? A lot of people will say equals to 0. No, this is not going to be the thing. So the whole point is this: any open sentence which contain an equality sign, we call it as what? Equation. So okay. So now tell me, which kind of equation is this? So the next part, after knowing what is equation, which kind of equation is this? No need to type whole thing. You can write in shortcuts. I'll understand. Okay. మీరు ఎక్కువగా మీరు మొత్తం పూర్తిగా రాయాల్సిన పని లేదా, ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. Can you please tell me what is x value from this? Can you please tell me what is x value from this? So this is okay, you will do it because my job is to do 2. People who wrote 2, they are absolutely wrong. What was the answer? The answer is plus or minus 2. What was the answer, ma? The answer is plus or minus 2. 2x square plus 4 equals to 12. Then, yes, 2x square plus 4 equals to 12. Then everybody, so the whole point is this. Can I say 2x square is equals to 8? Then x square is equals to what, Nana? 4. Then x is equals to, then x1 is equals to plus 2 and x2 is equals to minus 2. When, if I make a statement like this, 2x plus 4 equals to 12. Can you please tell me what is x value now? 2x plus 4 equals to 12. Then x is nothing but only 4. So boys and girls tell me, in quadratic equation, how many solutions you are getting? In quadratic equation, how many solutions you are getting? 2 solutions. So tell me, which kind of equation is this? Which kind of equation is this? Linear equation. Which kind of equation is this? Linear equation. How many solutions we are getting, ma? How many solutions we are getting? One unique solution. So all linear equations are called simple equations. All linear equations are called what? Simple equations. So we are going to solve questions which are simple equations, which means the linear equations, and all the questions, all the answers we'll get is only one unique solution. Okay, so that's what we are interested in. That's what we are interested in. Okay, am I clear, everybody? Am I clear, everybody? Okay, so today we are going to look into questions where all unique solution is going to come. Okay, let's get started with the question number 1. Okay, let's get started with question number 1. Okay, I want you to solve this question first. Okay, guys, hang on for a minute. Before going to that, okay, I want you to solve this question. The cost of 3 tables and 4 chairs is, let's say, 3,500. Okay, and the cost of 4 tables and 3 chairs is 1,400. Okay, now the question is, what is the cost of a chair and a table? Now the question is, what is the cost of chair and a table? Your time starts now. 2 minutes from now. Do it. $700. Okay. 700. Okay. Okay. So my point is this, everybody. The moment you saw this question, if you start solving like this, first equation multiplied with 4, second equation multiplied with 3, you're gone. Okay. 90% of the people, they start doing question like this. 90%. Okay. How many solve like this? Like it may be into 3, it may be into 4 to eliminating TRC. You got it any other method? People who got 700? Okay. I am, yes, very good, Rav. You are appreciated. Guys, here the whole point is what? Whole point here in this particular situation is, if you do like this, you will get your answer. But the whole point is what? See, please observe the question. Just add 2 equations. When you are adding 2 equations, can I say this is 70 and this is what? 7c, which is equals to 4,900. So if I took 7 as common, t plus c is equals to what? 4,900. Then t plus c will become what? 700. See, if you want only C, your procedure was fantastic, mind-blowing, unbelievable. But the question is what? Observation is important. I want only C and T. I want only C and T. Plus I want C and T. So observe the equations first. Okay, once you observe the equation, your job is going to be a cakewalk. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. Okay, am I clear with this particular solution, everybody? Am I done? Yeah, because the only thing you have to do when you are done with the question, say type yes in the live chat. That's the only medium you and me can interact. Okay, come on. Done with the question, everybody? Say yes. I'll go to the next question. That's it. Yeah. So first part, we are solving questions based on equations. So here I am presenting my next question. Okay. I am giving 2 minutes time. Just give a shot. If you got your answer, type in the live chat. Very good, very good. A lot of people are getting their answer. Fantastic. The first one is Nikhil, you are right. Abhijit Sai, you are right. Bharadwaj, Gautami, Supir Teja. Yes, everybody got their answer. That's appreciated, everybody. Let's see the solution. Okay. My first question is, a lot of people, they have a myth, this might be a myth. How many equations you have here? How many equations you have? Come on. How many equations? 2 equations. How many variables are there? How many variables are there? 3. Can we solve the question? That was my first question. Can we solve the question? Can we? Shall we? Yes. A lot of people might think that, yeah, with the 3 variables and 2 equations, we can't solve the question. Okay. Yeah. Not for all variables. That's a good job. Okay. You can't figure it out all the variables. So 2 shirts plus 4 trousers and 5 pair of shoes. It costing me 3,600 rupees. What is my second equation? 6 shirts and 5 trousers and 15 pair of shoes. It's costing me 8,700 rupees. Find the cost of each trouser, which means you want T. If you want T, you're supposed to eliminate what? Tell me. If you want T, you're supposed to eliminate what? Pair of shoes and shirt. Correct? So now tell me, what I supposed to do? What I supposed to do? So I have to multiply my first equation with something? Yes. So I have to multiply my first equation with what? Tell me, everybody, ask yourself. Ikkada 6 undi, ikkada 15 undi, ikkada 5 undi, ikkada 2 undi. So a common number to multiply cheste, this will get cancelled. Answer me దగ్గర నుంచి రావాలి. Very good. It has to be multiplied with 3. Then my equation will become 6s and 12, 6s and 12t plus 15ps is equals to 3 into 3,600. Okay. Right. So what I supposed to do? Idhar rasin tarvata what I supposed to do, ma? I have to subtract it, no? I mean, let's say this is a second equation and this is a third equation. You have to do 2 minus 3, which means this equation minus this equation. So you will get 70, which is equals to, this is 108 and 00. So what is the difference here? 2,100. Correct? Then T will become what? 2,100 by 7. That will give your answer as what? 300 rupees. That will give your answer as what, ma? 300 rupees. Yes or no? That will give your answer as what? 300 rupees. Okay. 2 important points here. 2 important points. What my point, essentially you're multiplying with 3 because to cancel 6x and 15, no. Why to write again the other equation? Yes or no? Anyway, you're canceling this. You can do it in your brain. So don't waste your time writing this part. Anyway, you're doing it, and this is not a 4-mark question. Write in detail. Yes or no? Do these things in your brain. Okay. Then here you will get 12 and here you will get 5. What is the difference you can do with your brain? No, that is 70. And multiply 36 into 3. You have to multiply. It's very easily, 36 into 3. Okay, 30 into 3 is 90. 6 into 3 is 18, which is 108. And I'll get 2 zeros. That's it. Ma ee chinna chinna cheppadanike nenu unnanu. Idi andariki telusu. Idi goppa question kaadu. Yes or no? Then you can take the difference. Etla ikkada chudandi. Ikkada nunchi 10,000 ki entundi na difference? Oka 300 kalpite 9,000. Inkoka 1,000 kalpam anukondi 10,000. Ikkada enta difference undi 10,000 ki 800. Ide kada difference echindi. This is what the difference, no? So that will give you 2,100. So be logical when you're solving it, be logical. Okay, done with this particular solution, everybody. Finished? Come on, మాట్లాడాలి. మా 2 hours ఉండేది వీక్ లో. కొంచెం వచ్చి నేర్చుకొని సావండి. ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు లెర్న్ సంథింగ్. మీకోసమే, ఇదేదో మా కోసం కాదు. Because on Sunday, your seniors wrote one Goldman Sachs internship exam. Every year, e time lo Goldman Sachs interviews, internship exam will be there. Okay. they'll open a notification in November. Okay, November lo notification release చేస్తారు guys. So the whole point is, the procedure is this: first you have to write an aptitude test. If you clear this, then only you will go for a coding round. So the whole point is this: if you are good with the coding also, if you don't clear aptitude, it doesn't make any sense. And the exam is going to be difficult exam. Please ask your seniors, they will let you know. Please ask your seniors, they will let you know for sure. Okay, so my point is, and their quant is going to be difficult one. They'll give only 8 questions. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the procedure also. There are 5 sections. Goldman Sachs, it's an international company. Okay, Goldman Sachs is an international company. It's an investing based company. Internship, they might pay, the huge amount. Okay, so I am going to tell you every engineering graduate is eligible. Every engineering graduate is eligible. Okay, all over India nunchi rastar exam. First they are, I used to tell you always, exam is to not to recruit, exam is to eliminate. Okay, వాడు బీటెక్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడే వాడు, ఒకవేళ he don't have any backlogs, he can apply. Point ఏంటంటే, you should good with your aptitude, you should good with your coding. First aptitude untene we will push to the coding round. Okay, I'm going to tell you the rounds in aptitude test. There are 5 sections: section 1, section 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is numerical competition, which is quant questions. They'll give 8 questions. Okay, the second one is numerical reasoning. Okay, they'll give 12 questions, like number series kind of questions. Okay, number series, letter series, and they'll give questions like this, 2, 4, and 3 dash kind of stuff. It's not going to be this much easy. Yeah, people will answer this question. Can you please tell me what is the answer? Can you please tell me what is the answer? 2, 4, 3, and is what? See, I can see different answers, because my logic may be 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, then answer will become 5. Okay, my logic may be 2 square is 4, then 3 square is what? 9. My logic may be 2 into 2 is 4, and 3 into 2 is what? 6. How many answers are coming up? 3 answers are coming up. So then how you supposed to answer the question? According to the options you're supposed to answer. Okay, because your logic might be the examiner logic. No, you have to pick up the examiner logic. Got my point? So this is the numerical reasoning. After that, you will get abstract reasoning. Okay, after that, abstract reasoning is there. Abstract reasoning means they'll give diagrams. Okay, they'll give diagrams like this. Okay, what is the next figure? Okay, they'll give 4 diagrams. What is the next figure? Okay, and they'll give they'll give a relation between these 2 diagrams, and they'll give one more diagram here. What is the question mark, and which diagram is supposed to come here? Analogy. And they'll give 4 diagrams. Okay, you need to figure it out, odd man out, which one is odd among the 4. Okay, so that is abstract reasoning. And they'll give a mirror image, you need to figure it out. They'll give a image, you need to figure it out, what is the mirror image. And they'll give a image, you need to figure it out, what is the water image. Okay, and they'll fold papers like this. Okay, while papers nu fold chestaru. Okay, and they'll punch on it, how many holes is going to come. Okay, so that's all abstract reasoning. Okay, then the last one is diagrammatic reasoning. I'll show you, if I show you a question, you will understand in upcoming sessions. The final one is logical reasoning. Abstract reasoning 12 questions, diagrammatic reasoning 12 questions, and logical reasoning also 12 questions. In logical reasoning, questions based on seating arrangement. Okay, seating arrangement, and questions based on DI, data interpretation, questions based on blood relations, questions based on clocks, calendars. Okay, and analogy, odd man out, direction sense, ilanti questions anni untai. Okay na, నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా, ఈ సెక్షన్స్ అన్ని if you want to clear, you have to attend the sessions and you have to learn something. Please, you can ask ఎవరైనా ఒక్కరైనా సీనియర్ తెలిసి ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళని అడగండి, మొన్న ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది కదా, సిఎస్సిఐటి వాళ్ళు మాక్సిమం రాసి ఉంటారు, ఈసీ వాళ్ళు కూడా కొంతమంది అప్లై చేసి ఉంటారు. ఆస్క్ దెమ్, పేపర్ ఎట్లా ఉందో అడగండి. ఈజ్ దట్ ఈజీ డైరెక్ట్ గా పోయి అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే, సో దట్ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకేనా? సెర్చ్ చేయండి గోల్డ్మెన్ సాక్స్ కంపెనీ ఏంది, యూనో ఎంత ఇంటర్న్షిప్ పే చేస్తారు, ఎలాంటి కంపెనీ, గ్లోబల్ కంపెనీయా, లోకల్ కంపెనీయా, సెర్చ్ ఇట్. ఒకసారి మీరు వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, యూనో యువర్ లైఫ్ విల్ చేంజ్. దట్స్ వాట్ మై హోల్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? యా. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆల్ మై పాయింట్స్. ఓకే, అంత ఈజీగా తీసుకోకండి. ఏది వాళ్ళని అడగండి ఒకసారి, వాళ్ళు ఎంత రిగ్రెట్ అవుతున్నారు. ఓకేనా? కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త పడి ఉంటే బాగుండేదని. ఓకే, సో your time starts now. Let's get back to our normal talk. Try to solve this. Very good, very good, Tarun, you got it right. Good job, Tarun. The cost of 3 dosa, 5 idli and 7 vada is 154. So again there are 2 equations and 3 variables. The cost of 3 dosa and 5 idli and 7 vada, it is costing me 154 rupees. And the cost of 5 dosa and 8 idli and 11 vada, it is costing me 246 rupees. Okay, 246 rupees. So now I want what is the cost of idli and what is the cost of dosa and what is the cost of vada. So what is the cost of this, they were asking. Okay, so it's again to manipulate the equations. Can you please tell me, you might observe it kada, can you please tell me, you have to multiply, because you, whether you're doing addition or subtraction, you will not get this statement. So that was there clear. So tell me, so I supposed to multiply my first equation with what? Tell me, you might observe it, మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా, దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? Because if you closely observe, here we have 3 and here we have 5. If you multiplying this with 3 and if you multiplying my second equation with 2, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. The difference is 1. 5 3s are 15, 8 2s are 16. The difference is 1. 7 3s are 21 and 11 2s are 22. The difference is 1. Yes or no? So our new equations will become 9d plus 15i plus 21v equals to 154 into 3. Ikkada kuda fast, you have to do calculations quickly. 150 into 3, 450. 4 3s are 12. So this is 462. So that you have to do with your brain. Second one, again anyway, to get that only we are getting, no, మనకు అది వస్తుందని తెలుసు కదా, ఎందుకు ఇది రాయడం మళ్ళీ వేస్ట్ కదా, అవునా? అంటే డిఫరెంట్ సింపుల్ గా ఈ మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్సే కదా మన ఆన్సర్. మనం ఇంటూ 3 ఇంటూ 2 చేసింది దేనికి? టు గెట్ దిస్ అండ్ దిస్. అది చేయడానికి ఇది చేసాం కాబట్టి వై టు రైట్ ఇట్ అండ్ వై టు వేస్ట్ టైం. సో 154 ఇంటూ 3 అండ్ 256 ఇంటూ 2. సపోజ్ ఇది 250 అనుకుందాం. 250 ఇంటూ 2 ఎంత నాన్న? 500. 500 కి ఎంత తక్కువ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి, క్విక్ గా చెప్పండి. మనం 250 అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటే 500 వచ్చింది, అక్కడ 246 ఉంటే కమాన్ 8 తక్కువ ఉండాలి, which means your answer is 492. What was the difference? 30. So answer for this question is what? 30 rupees. Okay, answer for this question is what? 30. That's what you need to understand. Okay na, ఎందుకంటే ఇది 50 కి 4 తక్కువ ఉంది, ఇంకొక 50 లో కూడా 4 తక్కువ ఉంది, టోటల్ గా ఎంత తక్కువ ఉన్నట్టు? it's a less of 8. Okay, it's a less of 8. Am I clear? Am I clear with this, everybody? Come on, am I clear with this, everybody? Say yes in the live chat. I'll go to the next question. Yeah, I'll go to the next question. Okay, yeah. So the next now we are going to talk about questions based on, guys, అందరూ టైప్ చేయాలమ్మా ఎస్, అదొక్కటే మీ సైడ్ నుంచి నా కన్సర్న్. మీరు వింటున్నారా వినట్లేదా ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్. ఓకే, నాకు వినే వాళ్ళు 100 మంది ఉన్నా చాలు, రైట్? ఓకే, yeah. So My next topic is questions based on digits. Okay, questions based on digits. Let's understand the concept. 72 is a number. What is reverse of this number? Reverse of this number, 27. Very good. 27. If you add this, what is the sum? 99. Correct? 32 is a number. What is the difference of this number? What is the reverse of this number? 23. What is the sum? 55. Let's take 42 is a number. What is the difference? What is the reverse of this number? 24. Can you please add and tell me? It is a 66. Yes or no? 66. 72 is a number. 27 reverse of this. Can you please subtract it and tell me? 32 is a number and 23 is another number. Can you subtract it and tell me? 42 is a number and 24 is a number. Can you please subtract it and tell me? The first one, 72 and 27. What is the difference, ma? What is the difference? 45. 45. What is the difference here, Anna? 32 and 23. 9. What is the difference, ma, here? What is the difference here? 18. 18. Okay, 18. So my first question, can I say 99 is a multiple of 11? 55 is a multiple of 11? 66 is a multiple of 11? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? 45 is a multiple of 9. 9 is a multiple of 9 and 18 is a multiple of 9. Okay, so can I conclude a point here? If you take any two-digit number, reverse it and add it, it is a multiple of 11. If you take any two-digit number, reverse it and subtract it, it is a multiple of 9. How it is happening? Let's check. There is a number called 72. Okay, how this number actually formed? 70 plus 2. How this actually coming? Can I say that's going to be? 10 into 7 plus 2. If this is x and this is y, what is two-digit form? Tell me. How actually two-digit form came? Like this, 10, 7 is nothing but x, 2 is nothing but y. So what is two-digit form? The two-digit form is 10x plus y. What is reverse of 72, Nana? 27. Okay, y and x. The reverse of 72 is what, ma? 27. Okay. What is reversed form of a two-digit number? The reversed form is nothing but 10y plus x. 10y plus x. So two-digit form is 10x plus y and reversed form is 10y plus x. 10y plus x. So if you do a addition, 10x plus x, 11x, 10y plus ay is 11y. If you take 11 common, that's going to be x plus y. Okay, there is a 10-digit, two-digit number, and if you subtract it, okay, can I say when you are subtracting, when you open a bracket, it will become like this: 10x minus 10x minus x, 9x. 10y minus y, that's going to be 9y. If you take 9y is common, it's going to be x minus y, no? So it is definitely a multiple of 9. Yes or no, everybody? Yes or no, everybody? Got my point? So from this discussion, 4 important points. Point number one. Two-digit form is 10x plus y. Reversed form of two-digit is 10y plus x. Sum is 11x plus 11y. Difference is, okay, sum is a multiple of 11. Difference is a multiple of 9. Okay, I am giving 2 minutes time to write this, మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను what I hope you understood something out of this discussion. Okay, please make a note of it. Okay, please make a note of it. Okay, yeah, please do that. ఓకే, అదొకసారి నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకొని మీరు ఎస్ఎస్ చెప్తే ఐ విల్ గో ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ మంత్. Okay, ma, finished? Finished, Nana? Done with this? Finished? Yes. Okay. Please write down question number 1 on this. Please neat ga note down cheskondi. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Okay. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. If 36 is subtracted from that number, 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 digits get reversed. If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. If 36 is If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. Find the number. Rahul? Yes. Yeah. If you want to make that rule possible, that has to be there. Yes, I understood because I understood your point. Yes, correct. Very good. Very good. Viveka got it the answer. Chandru got it answer. Rao got it answer. Very good. Abhijit got it answer. Tarun also got the answer. Fantastic. Fantastic, everybody. Right. So first and foremost thing, I want everybody should understood this particular question. Yes. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. Find the number is the question. Okay, you have to figure it out, the number. Okay. So guys, the point is this, the point is this. When the sum of the digits is, that, can I say my first equation will become x plus y is equals to 12? No? X plus y is equals to 12. Please understand the question, you will get 60% of the answer. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. If 36 is subtracted from that number, what is that number? A 2-digit number. Is 2-digit number available to you? If there is a 2-digit number, that we are searching for what is the 2-digit number. But we don't know what is the 2-digit number. We know the 2-digit form. What is the 2-digit form? 10x plus y. Because it's all about a trial and error. Yes or no? So the whole point is this, everybody. From this number, you are subtracting 36. What is the result? The result is reverse of that number. Do we know the reverse number? No. But what we know, the reversal form. What is reversal form? 10y plus x. You are able to write this, your job is finished. Okay. If you rearrange this, you will get as 9 of x minus y is equals to 36. Then x minus y is equals to what? 4. So make this equation as 3. Now do 1 plus 3. Then it will become x plus y equals to 12. X minus y equals to 4. If you add it, 2x is equals to 16. Then x is equals to what, Nana? Then x is equals to 8. When x is equals to 8, if you substitute here, 8 plus y is equals to 12, then y is equals to what? 4. Then the 2-digit number 10 into 8 plus 4, your answer is 84. So what is the 2-digit number? 84 is the 2-digit number. Okay, 84 is the 2-digit number. Understood, everybody? Understood, everybody? Yes? Please comment in the live chat. Understood this? Hello? Yeah. So my point was this. If they are giving for 5 marks answer, that's what. When they are giving for 5 marks answer, you can do like this, neat ga paddhati ga raseyandi. But this is not a 5 marks answer is nothing but these are MCQs. These are, competitive exam based. If you are wasting your time like this, no one will come and help you. No one will come and help you. Okay. Money, please hang on. You will understood this. In this exam, they'll give 4 options, correct? Let's say the first option is 66, second option is 75, third option is 48, and the fourth option is 84. How many logics are here? Sum has to be 12. This is the first priority. Second one is if 36 is subtracted from the number, the digits will get reversed. Yes or no? Is first condition is satisfied with every option? Is first condition is satisfied with every option? Please, meer maatladutunte so that I'll easy avutadi naku. Is first condition is satisfied with every option? Yes. Now the point is you have to reach the second condition. What is the second condition? Let's say if this is your answer, you have to subtract 36. You have to subtract 36. You're supposed to get what? Reverse of 66. What is reverse of 66? 66. How the hell you will get this? No, this is not your answer. Okay, be logical. You can see and you can eliminate directly 66 and 48. Why you can eliminate 48? When you are subtracting something from 48, you will get a number less than 48. What is the reverse number of 48? 84. How you are going to get this? This is also eliminated. Maybe 75 or 84. Yes, we know the answer, but still minus 36. But instead of doing this, be logical. 75. What is the reverse number of 75? 57. 57. The difference is almost 20 only, approximately 20 only. How 36 is going to come? This is also not your answer. This is also not your answer. 84, okay, minus 36. The result is what? 48. Is 84 reverse number is 48? Yes. Then this is going to be your answer. So my advice is this. 90% of the questions you can solve digit-based questions. It may be 2-digit, it may be 3-digit, it may be 4-digit. Okay, 90% of the questions you can solve by using the option verification method. Okay, option verification method, you can solve it so easily. So done with this, everybody? Finished? Sir, sum 12 is given. Yeah, 93 is also the sum is 12. Making sum 12 to radam chala easy nana. But second condition satisfy aval kada. 93 minus 36 has to be 39. Is going to come? 66 minus 36, 30 and under delta point in the 66 like 36. This is the 66 ravali. That was the question, no? Etlo ostadi raadu kada. Evodo pair rayaledu. I don't know what's his name. I hope you understood. This answer gaadu nana bangaram. This answer gaadu. Idi telikunda nee lekkal cheptunnana. What are you talking? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, done with this. Let's go to the next question. Similar models I want you to solve. Okay. Similar model I want you to solve. Okay. My next question is this, everybody. Listen to me. Yeah. My next question is this. In the previous question, instead of 36 is subtracted, if I add 36, what would be your answer? Instead of subtracting 36, if I add 36, what would be your answer? Very good. My answer is going to be what? 48. My answer is going to be what, Nana? 48 is going to be my answer. Okay, my answer is going to be what? 48. Okay, my answer is going to be what? 48 is going to be the correct answer. Okay, 48 is going to be the correct answer. Okay, so done with this. Done with this, everybody. Finished. Done. Okay, great. So now I am going to, we are going to solve a couple of questions, which is based on the number. Okay, you have to do, like it's a number based questions. First, quick. Okay, Every question ki 1 minute time, your time starts now. ఇవి నీట్ గా కావాలంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుందరు కానీ ఆన్సర్ చేసిన తర్వాత నేను టైం ఇస్తాను. సో ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్. Very good, guys. Very good. Appreciate. The answer is what? 24. Okay. Because, remaining all options will not satisfy all the conditions. Okay. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 24. Sorry. 8. Okay. 24. He is adding 18. Then you have to get. Then 24 plus 18 is what, ma? 24 plus 18 is what? 42. So what is 24 reverse number? 42. So both conditions are satisfied. So answer is second option. That's it. No need to waste your time and my time. Let's go to the similar kind of question. Yeah, I want you to solve. Your time starts now. 1 minute. Do it. That's appreciated. Lot of answer coming up. That's very good. కొంతమంది డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నారు. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 75. ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ వాట్ మా 75. వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. So if you look at every option, the sum is going to be 12. If the digits are reversed, let's take 84. Reversed is what? 48. So this is the original number. This is the new number. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 18 less than the original number. Is 48 is 18 less than the original number? No. So this is not your answer. 75. Reverse number is what, ma? 57. 57. Is 57 is 18 less than the 75? Yes. So then your answer is B. That's it. Don't waste your time. Okay. He is asking what is the original number. If he is asking the new number, then your answer is 57. He is asking the original number. Original number is 75. 75 minus 18 only 57. Okay. That's it. Because meer koncham burra vadali. 75 minus 57 has to be multiple of 9. 18 is a multiple of 9. Yes. That's it. Okay. Done with this, everybody? Yeah. Okay. Next, yeah, I want you to solve this, which is a question based on digits. Do it quickly. In a 4-digit number, the middle 2 digits are same. The difference between this number and one obtained by reversing the order digits are divisible by which number he is asking. Guys, can I say, yes, 27 is the correct answer. People who got 27, they are absolutely right. What is a 4-digit form? Can I say the 4-digit form is 1000A plus 100B plus 10C and D. What is reversed form? 1000D. And if you closely observe the difference between the numbers, the middle 2 digits are same. Like, whatever the number present here, the same number will appear here. Okay. Guys, when you are subtracting, these two will get cancelled anyway. Then, so the difference is 999A minus 999D. If you take 999 common, it's going to be A minus D. So the whole question is what? The 999, which number is going to divide? The 999 is going to divide with 5? No. The 999 is going to divide with 7? No. If you want, you can check it out. The 999 is going to divide with 27? Yes. The 999 is going to divide with 47? No. So it is divisible by which number? 27. It is divisible by which number? 27. So you should know the forms and you should know how to do it. So that's complete your solution. Please take screenshot of these two questions. Do it later. Take screenshot and say yes in the live chat. And one more thing. Sir, 999 is going to divide with 9 . So, it will divisible with 27. That's a bad idea. That is a bad idea. Okay. Okay, na? Because that is a bad idea. The previous question answer is 27, Nana. Okay, na? Right. Next. So now we are going to solve. ఇది కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత చేయండి. Take a screenshot and do as a homework. Take this question also screenshot and try to give your answer. It's so easy. ఎక్కువ టైం కూడా పట్టదు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవడానికి. It's a fraction of seconds. I hope it is done. Finished, Amma? Shall I? వెళ్ళొచ్చా నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కి? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే. సో కపుల్ ఆఫ్ మిస్లీనియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, వీటి తర్వాత విల్ గో ఫర్ ఏజెస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. Yes, guys. What is the answer? Tell me, what is the best way to approach this question? What is the best way? What is the best practice? Do you think making equations and solving? No. What is the best practice? Tell me. If you very good. Option checking is the best choice. Option checking is the best choice. Certain number of 2 rupee coins and certain number of 5 rupee coins. Okay. If first is your answer, like there are 6 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. This is 12 and this is 15, Anna. The total is what, ma? Because the sum is only 47. How this is going to be your answer? No. 5 2s are 10 and 6 5s are 30. The total itself is giving me 40. How this is going to be my answer? No. 6 2s are 12 and 7 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. So is the sum is giving you 47? Yes. So there is one more case also. 6 5s are 30 and 7 2s are 14. Is this giving me 44? What is the difference here? 3. Is the 3 rupees less to that particular before? Yes. Which option is right? Option C is right. So you have to answer this question by using the by solving the option verification method. Okay, let's go to solve one interesting question. This is very, very important. Okay, the first question. Nice question. Take your 2 minutes time. Try to solve logically. Try to solve this question logically. Your time starts now. Yes. 256 couple of people are saying and 512 couple of people are saying. Then which one goes right is the point. Okay, this is a nice question actually. First, let me teach you in a normal way of solving. Then we'll go for the logical way of approach. Okay, guys, tell me. Suppose there are 10 students. The number of students are 10, and each student is getting 5 books. What is the total number of books you distributed? Suppose I'm asking, the number of students are. Guys, I'm so sorry. The total number of books will become what, Nana? 50. Yes or no? So the whole point is this. I don't know the number of students in the class. Let's take X. Then each student is getting what number of books they have mentioned. Can I say 1/8 of the total number of children? Can I say that's going to be X by 8 books, ma? Yes or no? The each student is going to get X by 8 books. Is these two statements are clear? Is it clear? Is these two statements are clear? Yes. Now tell me, now total number of books will become what? Product of these two only, no? That is nothing but X into X by 8, which is equals to X square by 8 kadamma. X square by 8 kada. Yes or no? So according to the first, we understood this. Now what happened if the number of children been half? So the number of children are X by 2. Then each student will get what, Nana? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I am coming to. Meeku ostana. Mee dagarke ostana. Nenu answer ista. The number of children, each child is getting how many books? 8 books. Then the total number of books is nothing but X by 2 into 8 only, no? Which is essentially, is this right? X by 2 into 8. Antena? Each, sorry, 16 books. Yeah, 16 books. I'm sorry, 16 books. So then each child is getting what? Then each child will get, here in the second case, each child is getting 8 textbooks. Yes or no? Please confirm. Is these two scenarios are clear? Is these two scenarios are clear? Guys, so these two are equal, no? So 8 square, sorry, x square by 8, which is equals to 8x, then this xx will cancel, then x will become 64. Once you got x is 64, you can substitute here or here, you will get total number of books. So 8 into 64, which is 8 cube, that is nothing but 512. That is nothing but 512 kada. Okay na? Adentama 512 kada. That is nothing but what? 512. Okay, that is nothing but what? 512 is the correct answer. Mama, Mama, అది నిన్నట్లాగానే వస్తుందంట మామ. Okay, guys. So this is how you can actually answer. But this is a lengthy process. This is a lengthy process. Now I have a question. Now tell me, if the number of children's been half here. Okay, if the number of children been half here, how many books each student will get? If the number of children been half here, how many books each student will get? Please looking this and tell me how many books each student will get. చెప్పాలమ్మా ఎంతమందికి వస్తాయమ్మా బుక్స్ 10 బుక్స్ వస్తాయి అంటే సింపుల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ హాఫ్ అయితే ఒక్కొక్కరికి 10 బుక్స్ వస్తున్నాయి స్టూడెంట్ హాఫ్ అయితే ఒక్కొక్కరికి 16 బుక్స్ వస్తే మరి స్టూడెంట్ ఫుల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఎన్ని బుక్స్ వస్తాయి నాన్న ఇక్కడ 16 వస్తే రివర్స్ లో రావాలి మనం 8 బుక్స్ వస్తాయి అంటే సింపుల్ గా x/8 is equals to 8 కదా అంటే x is equals to 64 డైరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేసిందా లేదా ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ స్మాల్ లాజిక్ ఏంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ హాఫ్ అయితే ఒక్కొక్కడికి 16 వస్తున్నాయి దెన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫుల్ ఉంటే ఒక్కొక్కడికి ఎన్ని బుక్స్ వస్తాయి 8 విచ్ మీన్స్ x/8 is equals to 8 కదా x/8 8 అయితే okay when x/8 is equals to 8 అయితే then x is equals to 64 అరే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ 64 ఒక్కొక్కడికి 8 బుక్స్ వస్తున్నాయి అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా 512 అవుతుంది దట్స్ ఇట్ with that simple logic you can actually answer the question. Okay, with that particular simple logic you can actually answer the question ma. You can actually questions. actually, you can actually answer the questions. Okay, you can actually answer the questions. Okay, so now let's try to figure it out how to solve this question. Okay, how to solve this question. This is a question of a fraction based question. Tell me, do you think you will write a fraction like x by y? No, this is not. This is, if you're doing like this, you are wasting your time. How to solve these kind of questions? By using the option verification only. Please verify the options and tell me. Very good. Which option is right? First option is right. First option is right. 5 by 7. So -1, which will become 4 by 6. That is nothing but 2 by 3. Do you have 2 by 3 here? Yes. Is the denominator is 2 more than the numerator? Yes. Then which option was right? Option 1 is correct answer. Okay. We have a similar kind of question at the end. I want you to solve that question also. Okay. With that, we can finish almost the miscellaneous ones. Yeah. One is left over. One is left over. Yeah. Solve this. Yes, guys. A fraction reduces to 1 by 4 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 3 is added to the denominator. Which option was right, Nana? First option is right. 4 by 5. 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 3 is added to the denominator, which will become 2 by 8. That is nothing but 1 by 4. Is first condition is satisfied? Yes. 4 by 5. Numerator is 6 is added to the numerator and 3 is multiplied in the denominator, which is nothing but 10 by 5 3s are 15. That is nothing but 2 by 3. Second condition is also satisfied here. Then which option was right? First option. So whenever there is a fraction based question, digit based question, so please go and solve with the with the concept of మీరు ఎట్లా చేయాలంటే ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఆప్షన్ వెరిఫికేషన్ తో చేస్తే that would be great. So this is the previous TCS question, TCS digital question. Okay, the previous digital question. Okay, so I want you to solve. So I'm making it clear. N plus 1 is equals to an plus 2n. So a1 is equals to 2. A1 is equals to what, Nana? 2. A1 is equals to 2. Aithe a of n plus 1 is equals to an plus 2n. Then this is going to be what is the question. Okay, na? Then a100 is equals to what they were asking. Okay, in 3 minutes time istuna, I want you to solve. Very good, guys. The answer is, 9902. First option is right. How this is coming? First option is right. A1 is equals to 2. A of n plus 1 is equals to an plus 2n, right? Let's put n is equals to 1. Then a1 plus 1, that is nothing but a1 plus 2 into 1. Correct? Can I say this is a2? A1 already we know that is 2. Okay, let it be like that to make you understand. Let's put n is equals to 2. So a of 2 plus 1, that is nothing but a2 plus 2 into 2. Correct? So a3 is equals to, in place of a2, can I write this whole value? Yes, a1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Let's put n is equals to 3. Let's put guys, yeah. Can you hear me now? Guys, in place of a3, can I put this a1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3? So what we are understanding from this, if you want a4, I am getting till 2 of 3. If I want a100, I'll get till, if I want a100, I'll get till what? 2 of 4. Come on. If I want a100, if it is a4, I am getting till 2 of 3. If I want a100, I'll get till, come on guys, till 2 of 99. Yes or no? Till 2 of 99. Till 2 of 99. So this will a1 plus 2 into 1 and so on up to this number. So what is a1 value, Nana? 2 plus, if you take 2 common, it is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 99. This is sum of a natural numbers, no? So 2 plus 2 into, what is sum of a natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So n is what? 99 plus 1 will give you 100. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Essentially this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, this 2 will get cancelled. Then your answer is going to be 9902. Okay. Okay, guys, this is how you can actually answer your question by writing 9902. Okay, 9902 is going to be your answer. Okay, 9902 is going to be your answer. So with that note, let's get started with the questions based on, we reached our last segment of today's session. That is the questions based on ages. Okay, the question based on ages. Ages question, definitely they might ask you in couple of competitive exams. Okay, couple of competitive exam. Okay, couple of competitive exam. So now the point is this, everybody. Let's say your age is 20, your father age is 45. What is the difference between your age and your father age? What is the difference between your age and your father age, Nana? Come on, 25 years. After 5 years, your age is 25. After 5 years, dad age will be 50. What is the difference again? 25. 5 years before your age is 15. Here your age is what, ma? Your age is going to be, what? How much? 40. What is the difference again? 25. So can I conclude a point? 2% age difference is 2% age difference is always 2% age difference is always 2% age difference is always 20. Sorry, 2% age difference is always same. Yes or no? It may be present, it may be past, it may be future. 2% age difference is always same. Difference between your age and your sister age, difference between your age and your mother age is always a constant. Yes or no? By using this particular logic, we can solve a lot of questions in the concept of ages. So guys, tell me, ego means what? Ego means what? Yes, mandarki telsu, but still again, I want to make a point. What do you mean by ego? Ego referring us to what? Past. After referring us to what? After referring us to what? Future. How about a word called hence? Hence referring you what? This word cheppadam kosam ante. Hence referring you what? Hence. Present. Hence referring you what? Present. Hence and endana present ane andaram anukuntam. Okay, now this is where a lot of people will get confused. Hence and endama present kaadu. Hence referring you what? It's not present. Okay, hence also refers you to future. Hence also refers you to what? Future. Okay, ఈ word meaning చెప్పడం కోసమే ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాల్సి వచ్చింది. సో hence అంటే కూడా future. సో ages లో మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉండాలంటే ఈ టర్మినాలజీ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. You should know the terminology and you are able to write the equation. Once you are able to write the equation, your job is a cakewalk. Once you are able to write the equation, your job is a cakewalk. Let's jump into the questions of ages. Let's get started. Your question number 1 is here. I want you to solve. Okay. Give me a minute. Yes. So this is your question number 1. Let's see how many of you will answer it. Yes, guys. What is the answer? Father age is 3 times the age of the son. Okay, father age is 3 times the age of the son. If son is x years, then father will become 3x. If son is x years, then father will become what, ma? 3x. If son is x, then the father will become what? 3x. Okay, na son x unte father enta avutaramma? 3x untaru. After 30 years, what is the son's age? X plus 30. After 30 years, what is the father's age? 3x plus 30. Appudu, then they were saying the father is 18 years elder to the son, which means the difference between the father age and the difference between the son's age, okay, it's going to be 18. That's what they are saying. Okay, so when it is difference, it's going to be minus 30 will get cancelled. Then 2x is equals to 18. Then x is equals to what? 9. Whom age you want? Father age. When you want present? So present is nothing but 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27 years. So which option was right? First option is right. Okay, first option is right. Which option is right, Nana? First option is right. Okay, now first option is going to be the correct answer. First option is going to be the correct answer. Okay, first option is going to be the correct answer. Okay, but you are wasting your time doing all these nonsense. Why? We understood one point. What point we understood? 2% age difference is always same. Whether it is after 30 years, whether it is present, the difference is same, no? Yes or no? With that logic, instead of writing all these things, simply, what is the difference here? 3x and x. The difference is going to be 2x. The 2x value is only 18, no? Because A father is 18 years elder to son means the difference between the son and father is going to be 18. No? Iddar madhilo age difference e kada nana 18. Are you getting my point? Then 2x is 18, then x is equals to what, nana? 9. Then 2x is 18, then x is equals to what? 9. When x is 9, you want father age, which is 3 into 9. 9 3 is a 27. 9 3 is a what? 27 is going to be the correct answer. Okay. 9 3 is a 27 is going to be the correct answer. 27 is going to be the correct answer. Am I clear? Am I clear? The way you are, see, you are writing everything and you are wasting your time. Okay, if you understood a small point, iddar madhilo age difference is always same. Okay, so with that particular logic, we can solve so many questions, in the concept of ages. Let's go to the next question. I want you to answer on your own. Okay, yeah. I am going to give you 3 questions directly. I am giving 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. I want you to solve. I want you to solve. I want you to solve. Okay. These are the 3 questions I want you to solve quickly. 3 minutes is the time. Do it. Now it is okay. Okay, so the now the question is all about what? 2 persons age difference is always 60. No, then it was given 6 years ago. 6 years ago, what the people are saying? 6 years ago, younger one was elder one was 3 times to the younger one. If younger one is x, elder one is what? 3x. No, so the difference is always same. What is the difference here? 2x. The 2x is equals to what? 16. Then x is equals to 8. That's it. So then x value is 8, then 3x value is 24. 8 and 24 when 6 years back. If you want present, add add plus 6, add plus 6, then it will become 14 and then it will become 30. Okay, that's complete. If you're done with the question, say yes, yes in the live chat. We'll go to the next question. In this question, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. So if the father age is 38 years now, son's age 5 years back is what? So the whole meaning of this particular inverted commas is father is twice as old as his son. When son is x, the father is going to be 2x. How? Present son is x years. At the time of son's birth, the father is also x. So this x years, more x years will get added, then father will become 2x. So what is 2x value in the question? 38. Then x will become what? 19. 19 is the present age of the son. We need when? 4 years back. So minus 4, that will 4 years back? No, 5 years back. 19 minus 5 will give you what? 14 years. So guys, here, x 4x, x plus 3, because after 3 years, 4x plus 3. So this is what happened. So what is the difference, ma? 3x is equals to 39 minus 12. 39 minus 12, how much, ma? 39 minus 12, how much? 39 minus 12, ఎంత నాన్న? 27. Okay, x9 వస్తుందా? x9 రావాలంటే this has to be 27. Okay, na? X is 9. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So done with this. So the age of that particular person is what? 9. So the other method, there is another method, the other method is there. Okay. So initial ratio is 1:4. After that, that's going to be 13:4. There is one more method actually we can, by using that method, we can actually solve. But again, it's going to be very hectic method. Okay, give me a minute. I'll teach you. Okay. If you're done with this question, hang on for a minute. I'll show you that question. Yes. If you look at this question, if you look at this question, I'm going to tell you, the ratio of ages of two people, A and B, is 2:3. The ratio is 2:3, ma. After 5 years, the ages is 3:4. Can you please tell me, here 2 parts, here 3 parts. How many parts is the difference, ma? How many parts is the difference? 1 part is the difference. 3 parts and 4 parts. How many parts is the difference? 1 part. This 1 part because of the 5 years only, no? This 1 part because of the 5 years. You want the present age of A. Present age of A is 2 parts. So 5 into 2, that is nothing but 10 years. 5 into 2, that is nothing but what? 10 years, no? Are you getting my point? So we can solve the question by using this particular method. Okay, we can solve the question by using this particular method. Got it? But if you look at the next question, like this, the ratio of the two persons is 3:1. After 5 years, the ratio is 7:3. What is the difference here? 4 parts. What is the difference here? 2 parts. When this is not same, you can't equate that to 5 years. Samajh mein aaya? Understood? You can't equate that to 5 years. So, etla equate చేయాలనేది I will teach you in the next class, because almost you're almost at the end of the session లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి అది అవ్వదు. So with that, we can't do that. Okay, so అది అవ్వదు కాబట్టి I'll teach you in the next class. ఇది ఎట్లా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటే ఎట్లా చేయాలో. Okay, but I hope you understood the previous method. Okay, the last question of today's session. The ratio between the ages of A and B at present is, this is also done, right? So answer for this question is what? 10 years. Okay, na? These 2 questions screenshot this one, please try at the end of the session. I mean, tarvata cheseyandi 2 questions. Ee roju meeku practice questions kuda vastayi. Please try to do it. Okay. Any doubts from your end, everybody? Any doubts from your end? Please type in the live chat. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's all my time today. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Keep attending the sessions. You're going to learn something. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Numa. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Nana. Good day.